Rockbar responds to Dexter Daps' prejudice claim, and PTR, Pretty TC and Rebel reality show Dancehall Life is trending.
Somebody say add Andrew, me I wonder if you watch it.
Andrew only somebody said the Prime Minister.
Somebody said the Prime Minister in our real quick.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now yesterday I showed a video with Dexter Daps, and him say something happened to him in Florida at a place called Rock Bar in Fort Lauderdale, right? But him never tell her what. But later, yesterday evening, Rock Bar respond to what Dexter say, and Dexter screenshotted and post it, and he have a caption. So me can tell you know what go on now. I have that coming up for you, but first let's talk about PTR, and that's Pretty TC and Rebel. Now the ladies premiered their brand new reality show yesterday. It's called Dancehall Life, and it's already trending at number 3 on YouTube, right? Come see get a post, and I say thanks for all the support, because I know say I don't sound responsible for the show, I them produce it and everything. So congratulations to the ladies. You know, I love to say this, and people, if you not see it yet, you check it out. Me I telling you say the show a shot. Me love it. So I say, and me know say whole heap of other people like it. That's why it's at trend number 3 already, right? So if not, may I go so boom and put the link so you can see it. May I have a little clip with them yesterday while the show, you know, when the show just dropped, then link up on live. So hear what them are saying.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, because I know say more episodes are gonna come. No, I will tune into the dials then.
Cause you know want some more, so no make nothing miss on nothing.
I don't want to see, you know in my life. Me and my friend in my life. So here it is. Here it is. In our lives you are. We are family. Go over there. Life for the one. Yes. Life for the get for see. Life for the get. This is one everything. See there? Kingston official. Yeah.
Life for the go get.
Yeah. Go over and like and subscribe at Kingston Signal Official. More episodes will be coming soon.
Wally more. You go to episode.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye guys. Bye baby.
You used to dance for me, wondering who you're dancing for now. You're so insecure, but your body's so pure. Life take you on a tour, but you always pack bags for the road.
So that song is called Dance For Me, and it's by the Afrofusion artist Antoy. And I'm going to be reviewing it momentarily. But first, let's talk about Dexter Daps. So like I told you yesterday, Dexter Daps made a video, and I'm just going to show you a short piece of the video so you get the idea if you don't see it already.
So the biggest racist act in my life. You never see another racist act so big yet in my life. Search for me see there, a place named Rock Bar in Fort Lauderdale.
So this is what Rock Bar said in response to that video. At Dexter Daps, it's a shame you would use your celebrity to stir such outrage and hate speech. All that was asked of you was to show your ID at the door to enter like every other patron coming through our security/police detail line. Had you simply complied, this whole situation could have been avoided. We are a place of business. Race, religion, politics, or personal beliefs do not come into question of any guest visiting our establishment. You know very well what transpired, and that your video/statement are now only contributing to the divide, right? And Dexter Daps did respond to that, but somebody said to them, Rock Bar, how do we know if you're speaking the truth? And them said, out of respect for the celebrity with over 1 million followers, we won't post our video footage. However, we will send it to the artist in an email, I guess them say, right? But people like me said, Dexter did respond to that, and me can tell you know him say if you want to stick around till the end of the video.
You've been distant, you've been missing. I've been wishing, making wishes. Things were different. missing. I've been wishing, making wishes. Things were different. You used to dance for me, wondering who you're dancing for now. You used to dance for me, wondering who you're dancing for now.
So people, the song is called Dance For Me and it's by the artist Antoy. He resides in Florida. People, that song at it, give me a party next door type of vibes. You know what I mean? The Jamaican island vibes blending with the Afrobeat.
You're so insecure, but your body so pure. Life take you on a tour, but you always pack bags for the road. I wasn't looking for love, no handcuff, wet in the soul. You just get up on cut. We could've just sit back, kick back, smoke loud, forget that. Make love like I missed that. But you always want chit chat. I never wanna waste my time again. Let's not pretend. Didn't want to wait for end. You were my friend, yeah. You've been distant.
People, that song are definitely a kind of song where you hear and it just can't come out of your meds. You know what I mean? Because I see something happen to me. I hear the song, you know what I mean? Somebody send the song to me, I post it on my Instagram, and then all of a sudden the song just come back to me and it just, you know what I mean? You used to dance for me.
You've been missing. I've been wishing, making wishes. Things were different. You used to dance for me, wondering who you're dancing for now. You used to dance for me, wondering who you're dancing for now. You've been distant, you've been missing. I've been wishing, making wishes. Things were different. You used to dance for me, wondering who you're dancing for now. You used to dance for me, wondering who you're dancing for now. You're so indecisive, life always in a crisis. But no, you're not gonna like this. No, I holla while we were both fucked up. I did have plans for you, made plans for two.
And I can't just ignore the fact that they put a lot of effort into the visuals as well, right? When you see him go through a lot of change of clothes from when I watch and continue watch and see, right? Also the lighting, you see they have good lighting, proper hue and saturation and everything. And the video have a storytelling element to it as well. You see the girl at pack for leave, you see me in the foreground and sing while she and him argue in the background as well.
But look what you did, waiting to you, plans fell through. Distant, somewhere reminiscing. I bet your heels got higher and your skirts got shorter. And you don't pay admission, tripping, taking shots with your bitches. Thought you said they all hoes, thought you said they all hoes. I suppose you were different. Now you drink the Hennessy strip till you know it's a strip. But you can't forget me, don't give in my chance, forget how one dance. Girl, text me. Feel like you're living in my head rent-free. But pay me, even if it's just attention. Don't want attention.
People, I just want to point out how much effort going into this music video. When I hear the door I opened a while ago, that wasn't the normal sound for the door. That was sound replacement. That was actually called Foley, where, you know, them get door sound of opening doors. That's what they do in actual movies. So people, may I tell you, them put a lot of effort into this.
Been distant, you've been missing. I've been wishing, making wishes. Things were different. You used to dance for me, wondering who you're dancing for now. You used to dance for me, wondering who you're dancing for now. You've been distant, you've been missing. I've been wishing, making wishes. Things were different.
Very professional work all around if you ask me. You know me, I'm going to put a link to the song, the music video so you can listen to it. And people, the surprising thing, this is his first song. This is his debut song, first song ever, first music video ever, and it already a shot. Him have a next one when I work on the way, and when he drop that on know, so we're going to review it again. So I'm going to put the link like me say. People, let's get back to what Dexter Daps said now. So Dexter Daps respond to that where Rock Bar say, and this is what Dexter said. You needed ID for me to enter and use the restroom when you add my credit card and serve me liquor for 2 hours plus. Make it make sense, and I stand by my statement. So Dexter say no apology. Him say what him say, and he must stick to what him say. People, tell me what you feel about the situation. I know we weren't there, but from what you say, what you think, and thank you for watching. Big up, stay safe.
We got Diamond in my AP. That's LIG. Atina. Excuse me. That's LIG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.